As Jeremy screamed his way onto the A303, all was well in the Lotus.
I know people have a bit of a downer on Lotus and believe that they're hideously unreliable, but really, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this car, apart from a little bit of electrical infidelity. And the clock. I mean, it works, but only the minute hand works, so I know it's 1:45, I just don't know what it's 1:45 to.
Okay, I'm going to operate the heater controls now. Land Rover heaters are, not their best feature, if I'm honest. That's on full. I can't feel it at all.
In the leaning tower of Citroën, I was starting to relax a bit.
She's very pretty. She just liked it. She wouldn't like to go in Hammond's because that's stupid.
Jeremy, can I just say, this is the biggest entertainment I've had on a road journey in my whole life. It's absolutely hilarious.
It wasn't hilarious, though. And since Hammond's cottage was now suffering from subsidence, we pulled in for some bodging.
Hammond?
Yeah.
We've done 20 miles.
Oh,
so
yeah,
this
I know.
way, we'll have to stop 9 times to rebuild your shed before we get there.
No.
In a matter of moments, I'd mended the Citroën's trellic attachment.
The problem was the air was hitting this massive slab here, forcing the whole car back and lifting the front wheels off the ground. So I've taken out this window. The air will now go in there, and then I've removed the rear door so it can come out here. 20, 30. Oh yeah, that's just massively improved it.